Hi, so in order to access the 3 assignments that you need to complete for this course, you need to be sure you do your pre-participation screening, which I know we've been emailing about, but you're going to go into modules, and then you will see the syllabus acknowledgement that says it's mandatory. So you're going to go ahead and click on that, and you'll be taken. You need to read over the syllabus, which you'll access right here. You'll be able to click on here and go through your entire syllabus. It'll download for you. It's a PDF form. I believe it's around 10 pages. So make sure you read over all of that information. Once you've done that and read over all the information, you'll click on the syllabus acknowledgement form. And it is a quiz. It is open. You will click on the attempt. You will click on yes, I agree, and then submit. Okay, so that will be your syllabus acknowledgement that is mandatory. The next thing you need to do is complete your pre-participation screening, which we've been working on together. So make sure you answer all of those questions in order to complete that. Okay. After you've completed both of those things, you'll scroll down and you'll see the SMART Goals assignment. You'll be able to click on the SMART Goals assignment, and you'll have a video to watch. You will download the assignment document and be able to open it. You'll be able to save this document, type in your goals, so you'll make sure you go to File and save it to your computer, okay? And then you will type in your specific goals, and you will be able to go back to Canvas and submit your assignment. In order to submit your assignment, you'll click on that Choose File, go to wherever you saved the document on your computer, and then submit your assignment. So those are all available to you. You can see here that they don't close until August 30th. The SMART Goals assignment doesn't close till August 30th, but it is due on Friday. So the assignment is indeed available for you to complete. Okay. Good luck completing that, and if you have any questions, let me know.